Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to download any picture from Instagram account. For that we need to go to Instagram account and I was going to search bar to see one image. Here we have some marriage family photo. I was clicking on that. Here we see that we have a share option. Click on that, or else you should take a screenshot. This is the one option. We have another option also. Just click on share button. Here we have a copy link. Just copy the link and come back and go to Instagram downloader. I have Instagram downloader. Just click on that. Here I was downloading the image. Just replaying shortly. So it was downloaded. Here we have option of download our image. So now you can see the image of downloading. Thank you. It was directly saved to your gallery.